Wolf Family Part 1. Oh, I'm at home. Wake up! Wake up! I'm awake. Okay. Can you stop even trying to punch me because it doesn't hurt at all? Okay. Dad, you need to stop waking us up like that. Yeah, you broke my leg last time you tried to do that. Boom. Just boom. Oh my god, it's a bird, I missed it. Oh my god, there's a cheeseburger. Oh my god, there really is a cheeseburger. Cheeseburger? Where? Oh my god, cheeseburger. Hey, how come you got to eat most of the cheeseburger? Oh my god, there's like millions of cheeseburgers. Oh my god. Wolves don't eat cheese. Oh my god. Cheese what? Cheeseburger? Oh my god, cheeseburgers. Holy moly. Holy moly. Look at those cheeseburgers. Just look at them. Just look at the cheeseburgers. Oh my god, they're beautiful. As a wolf pack alpha, I have to say, those cheeseburgers look yummy. Let's eat them. Let me eat! Okay, we are a family. We have to stop doing this. But those cheeseburgers looked so good. I just wanted to eat them. Why couldn't I eat them? Because of you! Oh my god, please don't kill me. Alpha. Okay then. I just killed one of those wolf pups here. Night, I have to sleep. I look so derpy. I'm just gonna. I don't know. I'm just gonna. Okay. Good night, everybody. Sleep tight.